We can't even imagine, and the reports keep coming in the newspapers, in the information bureaus. Achievement survey reports for learning outcome parameter measurements. Oh. And 1 lakh students were covered, 14,000 teachers, 7,000 schools, 65% could understand, 85% could understand a picture, 85% could understand mathematics. Fantastic! We got another 3,500 model schools under EBB now, with 19.6 lakh students who are going to be made the next few leaders of our country. We've got the multifarious schemes under the minorities. A very good afternoon to Mr. Tadani also. And multifarious schemes under the minorities ministries, 15% of the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan funds going to the MCDs, model schools, polytechnics, Sikho Kamao, Nalanda, Nai Roshni, etc., etc., etc. Then we have somebody saying 98% of the habitation is covered with one school within a kilometer in this country. Which GIS said that? I do not know that, but we have 98%. 92% within 3 kilometers, fantastic. We've done a lot of work. We've got vocationalization of secondary and higher secondary education, 500 CR earmarked on the 12th 5-year plan, fantastic. Then we have this National Center for Leadership in Schools, 9 lakh teachers, headmasters and principals to be made leaders to transform schools into centers of excellence, fantastic. It's a complete thumbs up. But Albert Einstein also said, when you can look up to things, don't memorize them. So I'll read something. 30th of August 2013, International Conference on Civil Aviation and Culture. Union Minister for Culture, Srimati Chandresh Kumari Katoj. There are strong linkages between the sectors of culture, tourism, civil aviation, trade and industry. Each of the sectors is closely linked to the other, and overall development in the country will take place only if we work together in synergy. India has one of the oldest civilizations in the world, and through centuries, Indian culture and places of heritage have attracted people from different parts of the world. The Chinese traveler Hunsang and Fai Hen walked several thousand kilometers to study at the ancient universities of Nalanda and Takshashila. Here comes education. Culture serves as the foundation on which the building of tourism can be built, but without good communication and connectivity, we will not be able to reach global audiences. Once we have the inflow of international tourists, there will be an automatic increase in trade and commerce. Education was also mentioned, though it was not part of the theme of the conference. Education and value education, which Swami Vivekananda wanted us to know and believe and practice, and through years which we kept doing that, is still happening. Though it's a different issue. The NCERT announcement says, scheme on strengthening education in values. When you click on that, you find NCERT is not in a position to implement the scheme at present due to non-availability of funds. Fresh proposals should not be submitted to NCERT/MHRD for financial assistance. That's education, but Culture Ministry has earmarked 100 crores of funds for the value education of Swami Vivekananda to Ramakrishna Mission, Vellore. We are working in silos. A lot of things are happening, as I mentioned. A lot of beautiful things have happened. But we are working in silos. We have to create knowledge innovators, people who can think, people who can apply their knowledge. And then only we get the right values in education inculcated into an individual. During the Mahabharata, when we had a fantastic way of Gurukulam system of education, during the coronation ceremony of Yudhishthira and Duryodhana, there was a fight who should be crowned because they received similar education from Dronacharya. Vidur, the erudite scholar, called upon 4 prisoners who had together murdered a particular person. This is a short story, please bear with me. The first was a Shudra, the second was a Vaishya, the third was a Kshatriya, and the fourth was a Brahmin. Duryodhana was asked, what is the punishment? Capital punishment was his answer. That's it, flat. Everybody clapped. Yudhishthira was asked. He said 4 years for the Shudra, 8 for the Vaishya, 16 for the Kshatriya, and life imprisonment for the Brahmin. That's application. Today's judicial measures are all based on such backgrounds of crime and criminals. How many states are there? 29, 30. How were they created and why were they created? No answer. Creativity shunted. Teacher wanted a homework to be done, nobody in the class did that. One of the students had an idea. We are all going to be punished. Let's explode a bomb. Rest of the day, the class will be involved and the teacher will be involved discussing about who blew the bomb. So nobody is going to question about the homework. Maybe that was innovative in the wrong sense. Finally, what I want to say is that we've got to really build around these values, ethics and principles. These are not relative, these are not divisive, or they cannot be subjected to diversity or diversionary practices. We cannot do that. Values will decide where we are headed as a society. Look at Abraham Maslow. The 1943 paper he published for the need hierarchy is something which we have to really keep in mind, because that is what the differentiator between a human being and a human being with tail is. That's an animal. We've got to move from the physiological needs to the self-actualization needs. We've got to move every stage, and that is what value education will allow you. Digitization of education is very good. Teachers cannot be dispensed with. I am from the K-12 digital education business. But I would never want this to be dispensing with the quality and the quantity and the inculcation of the knowledge, application of the knowledge through teachers. Teachers are gurus. You cannot have any compromise with the teachers. Abraham Maslow has to be looked into. We have got to create a society which helps us move from physiological needs to actualization needs. We've got to really stick to our culture. We've got to understand what is the value of Namaskar, which was our advantage over others. Thank you so much, and Jai Hind.